Well, you have 82 right now. You could absolutely spend time and energy working to bring up the speaking and writing, since those are your lowest scores. But, since you likely feel that the reading and listening are easier, you might find that it's easier to earn another 6 points between those two sections, maybe 3 in each, and then bring the speaking and writing up by 1 point each. That would give you 90 points. Now, we're certainly not saying to just brush off the areas that you find challenging. But, we are saying that you shouldn't ignore the areas that you're already doing well in. A point is a point, no matter its source, so make sure to focus just as much on the areas you're doing well on as you do on the areas you find difficult. How are the scores used? Colleges and universities will look at your TOEFL score when considering your application. Of course, your TOEFL score is not the only factor that affects your chance of admission. Colleges and universities also look at your academic performance, letters of recommendation, application essays, and scores on other standardized tests. Although a high TOEFL score will not guarantee admission to a particular program, a low test score could jeopardize your chances. Some schools and programs may require students with TOEFL scores below a certain cutoff score to take supplemental English classes. Others may accept only applicants who score better than a particular cutoff score. Make sure you check with the programs to which you are applying for specific information. The computer-based format used for internet-based testing, IBT, the TOEFL IBT is a computer-based test that is delivered to testing centers via the internet. Therefore, the TOEFL can be offered at locations throughout the world. The test is administered by Educational Testing Service (ETS), the same testing organization that administers the GRE, SAT, and other standardized tests. According to ETS, internet-based testing (IBT) is an easier and fairer way to capture speech and score responses. It also makes it possible for them to greatly expand access to testing.